temperature, and water control. It cools precisely from -10°C to 5°C, ensuring no side effects. Say goodbye to discomfort. Our low energy output ensures a painless and comfortable experience. With our targeted fat freezing technology, achieve visible results in just 1 to 2 treatments, with lasting effects for 3 to 5 years. Dual handle design allows treatment on multiple areas at once, doubling efficiency and saving treatment time. With its user-friendly interface, the cryo-fat freezing machine is easy to operate and requires no downtime for clients. Provides the best in fat reduction with the cryo-fat freezing machine, delivers real results.